Hi everybody. So my name is Elizabeth Sweet, and I am hoping to become a marriage and family therapist. So the job description of a marriage and family therapist is that they're trained in mental health as a trained mental health professional that works with families and deals with relationship and behavioral issues. Marriage and family therapists try and secure long-term solutions to mental and emotional disorders and a wide variety of relationship issues. So their duties, just in the day-to-day office work, they do an initial assessment of clients. They also lead discussions and take notes for insurance reasons. To become a marriage and family therapist, my route, I want to get my master's degree after graduating with a bachelor's in marriage and family studies with a minor in psychology here at BYU. I'm looking into going to BYU Provo for my master's or Indiana University. So I did not choose this major minor combo because it's easy or because I wanted to figure myself out. I chose this because I want to become a marriage and family therapist. I've chosen this career because of its flexible hours and its good pay. I've also have the desire to work with people one-on-one and or in small groups to help them overcome challenges that they may have in their relationships. So, yeah.